our subscribers, they will tell you how you can easily use scheduled posts on Instagram on your iPhone. So for doing this, just go to App Store, just go to search tab, and in the search you just need to write icon square. So just find this app, here you can see it, just tap on get. So after, just wait until it will, just use double click to install, and now it will successfully download and install this app on your iPhone. So you just need to wait some time, and after you just need to open it, and you can use scheduled posts. So you can also create your post, you can use analytics on your account, and also it's very helpful. So you can also choose the right time, so the time in which you will get more likes, more comments. So you will use analytics for your account, and it's really helpful for you, so just try it. So I hope it will help you. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.